Shaking Dave here. Dog days of summer, man. It's so hot out here in San Diego right now. That humongous, crazy pool, and we got the rebar all stepped up for the all stepped up for the rocks, and we have the pool all good to go. So they're going to shoot a crap load of cement on this thing to make it turn into a big pool. After that, we're going to add more stuff and make it into rocks and tile and coping and beautiful and dreamland and everything. So this is a spa. He wanted a big spa. He got a big spa. This thing is humongous. Got some stubbed up steel right here because we're going to put a little rock right here so when people climb up here, and this is going to be the deck height right here, they'll have something to sort of grab hold of. So it's sort of like a little handhold kind of deal. And all this is going to be backfilled, all this area here below the green board. That's called a raised bond. I think I've mentioned that before in other videos. All this dirt that we've stockpiled back here is going to be brought down, compacted, leveled off, and then we're going to build a dry grotto back here, which is going to be wild. So we're going to build a footing out here somehow, and that will be a place where you can walk into a big cave structure, maybe sit on a bench, and you'll be able to look through down into the grotto cave in the pool where there'll be water splashing around. That's all going to be a cave there. Water return to kind of move the water around. Got one right there. It's going to push the water around. It's important to have that water chemistry good. Jumping rock right here also. Might even set up some climbing rock stuff over here on the face of the grotto right here in the deep end. This pool is crazy deep. It's going to be almost 11 feet, 10, 11 feet deep. I don't know exactly, but really, really deep. So, it's going to be over 100 degrees tomorrow and high humidity. We got thunderstorms, crazy weather. But you got to go to work and you got to do what you got to do, baby. So thankful for the work. We're going to be melting tomorrow and making it into the, like I said, the structural aspects, all the shotcrete. We'll get a little video of that maybe if the battery's good and show you that. So it's shotcrete day, as you can tell from the loud pupper behind me here. This guy's been going since 6:30. It's going to be over 100 degrees today, so that will be fun indeed. What they do is they come out here and they set up boards around the spa, and then they spray it. Check it out.
Are you the boss, man?
I'll be the boss today, why not? You got a question?
Not a question.
Me too.
You want a top step in that little mile area over there?
Yeah, we'll get a step opposite the jet.
Off of the jet right there in between?
On this corner.
On this side over here?
Yeah, just a little step out.
Okay.
It'll be awesome.
Cool. And then you got these three here, same. These are just normal.
Yep.
9 down, 21. 33 over these.
Yeah, just follow the steel.
Follow steel.
Yeah.
3 inches over steel. Vámonos.
Yep.
Got it.
Looks beautiful.
That one over there, the homeowner was talking about putting a step out on top of that.
On top of that, yeah, just a little
Is that
one.
a bench?
That's well, it's like a step out.
Okay.
So just enough to get another little step out on top and then out.
Go 21 down from there. No, actually we got to go a little higher, no? So
Just need
to be a steep drop.
Well, it's already a steep drop going down into the pool from that thing. There's no way to get out. Just be laying on your belly, you know,
Okay,
climb
so
over.
I'll go probably 21 down, and then I'll put the step out in the corner. I got to make it a little bit bigger.
Yeah, absolutely. Make room
and
for it.
go 18 wide on it.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Do an 18-inch step out on that far edge.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll make it easy to get in and out.
Yeah. You have to use the other part as a bench.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. One big pool. Big hole in the ground.
They had to choose the fucking hottest day of the fucking week. Yesterday we were dying.
I know.
I know. We were right here in
You were in East
Grove.
Oh, that was hot.
Man,
hot as hell too.
fucking guys were puking everywhere.
No way.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. That's ugly. That is ugly.
Sometimes I think they want to kill us.
They try to kill you. I feel that way sometimes too. All right, so there's a taste of the process. Look at the size of this spa. I just can't get over it. It's so crazy. You can put a whole football team. I think I said that before. getting a feel for this process here. That little guy way down the bottom. Crazy, man, crazy. So there you have it. A little taste of some shotcrete on a mother big pool. So we'll show you what we end up with, or what they end up with. All right, wherever you're at, turn the air conditioner on. If you're in Southern California right now. Woo! All right. We will be back.